Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to paint a whole lot of Easter eggs as it's almost Easter and it's just great fun just to relax and paint. So as you can see, I've outlined quite a lot of Easter egg shapes on my acrylic paper, and I'm also going to be using these brushes, which I will leave a description below so you know which ones I've used. And we're going to be using really nice bright colours. So we will be using a red, ultramarine, medium yellow, titanium white, and I did put a spot of Mars black on my palette, which actually I didn't use, so you can ignore that. We're going to start off with using the red, so I'm just going to mix quite a bit onto my paintbrush. And you're going to select 5 eggs that you want to paint red to start with. I'll be painting the bottom right hand corner first. I'm using the number 10 flat brush to start off with. So you just want to use the edge of the flat brush so you get a really nice line. And while I'm painting in the first egg, leave me a comment, let me know what kind of Easter egg you're hoping to receive this year, or maybe you've just gone out and bought the whole shop. Now there's an idea, and it actually makes me want to go out and buy some. But anyway, we must get back on to painting these lovely Easter eggs. So I filled in another 4 eggs, but this time using blue. And I'm now using a yellow, and I'm just selecting where I'm putting in the colours, because I don't want to have like 2 yellow eggs together or 2 blue together, because you want it to kind of give that sort of multicoloured look. So we just carry on picking another 4 eggs out. And you just keep doing the same process until you've filled out the whole paper with all these vibrant, colourful Easter eggs. I've also used, by mixing the red and the blue, to give a really nice purple. And I'm also going to mix the blue and the yellow together to give a nice green. So we've got lots of colours in this painting. And we should just be about there. I'm just making sure that all the white areas of the paper are filled up with the different Easter egg colours. What do you think so far? It's looking good, yeah. And now to the exciting bit, the decorating of these lovely Easter eggs. I'm using the titanium white acrylic paint to decorate these with, and you can pick any design you want. You don't have to follow exactly what I'm doing, but I just thought it'd be nice to have zigzags, and I'm going to put in some dots and swirls and waves. I think we're almost there. While I finish decorating these eggs, if you're going to have a go yourself, which I hope you are, please tag me on my Instagram account. I'll leave a note of it in the description below. I'd love to see what your designs look like. And remember, guys, this is a great way just to relax and chill and enjoy just doing easy painting. And it's also a great way to forget about the outside world stresses of your daily life and just enjoy being able to make something, paint something, and have a really nice piece of creative artwork. If there's any other content you'd like to see from me, by all means leave me a comment and I'll take a look at it. And don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and also maybe consider subscribing so I can bring you more content. And there we have it, the finished, beautiful, vibrant, colourful Easter egg painting, and I will see you all in my next video.